Alright guys, you want to know something interesting? Alright, there's going to be certain days in your trading career where everything goes right. Okay? I mean, even an idiot could have made money today. Why? Because today, guys and gals, the markets went absolutely parabolic. Okay? We basically had the mother of all rallies today. Short sellers absolutely got destroyed. I'm scared to death for any of you guys who tried to short the market today. You got your face chopped off. Okay, so let's get into it, guys. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term subscriber and or customer, then I appreciate your support. And I know that you absolutely crushed it today. All markets, S&P, Nas, Dow, Russell, commodities, everything was on fire, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what I'm going to do here for you guys and gals in this video is I'm going to walk you through my thought process that I go through every single morning. Okay? Every morning, my routine is the same, and I can guarantee you that this routine has tremendously helped me achieve consistency and achieve discipline in my trading, and I sincerely believe that this routine is going to help you accomplish the same thing. All right? So this blue line here is technically my definition of when the market opens. I like to be at my computer sometime between 7:30 and 8 o'clock in the morning. That's Central Time, all right? And I first like to get a handle on what's happening in the market. Where are we? Are we trending down? Are we trending up? Like, what's going on when I show up? Right? And as you can see from this green and red color band, which by the way, guys and gals, is our proprietary volume-based indicator profile, this green and red color band, I think this is the most simplistic indicator in the world, right? It really just has one job, and that is to tell you who's in control. Is it the sellers that are in control, or is it the buyers that are in control, right? So when it's red, the sellers are in control, and when it's green, the buyers are in control. I don't know how to make any trading system more simplistic than this, and I dare you, no, I challenge you to find a more simplistic trading system or technique than I'm about to show you right now, okay? So let me continue walking you through my routine. Again, guys, you have to get rigorous and very strict with your routine. Half you guys and gals out there who are watching this video, you have no discipline, and I'm going to show you why discipline is so important in your trading. All right, so anyway, I like to just get a sense of what's happening, what's going on. I like to get my bearings straight whenever I come into the market. Sometimes I will just look for retracements immediately, but today I wanted to be a little bit more patient. Okay, so shortly after the stock market officially opened, you can see here this volume indicator turned green. Now, as you guys and gals know, I do not chase the market. I want to wait for the market to come back to me. Okay, this is the smart play, this is the conservative play, and frankly speaking, this is the more higher probability play. Okay, because as you can quite clearly see, we get a perfect retracement pattern, and this thing just surges huge in like 30 minutes. All right, so right out of the gate, we bag a really nice gain. Now, do you see this second setup over here, right? You can quite clearly see that now this volume indicator is red. What does that tell you? That tells you that the sellers are in control. And so we're looking for deep retracements to the short side, right? And yep, you guessed it, we get a nice retracement reversal bar right there. This is pretty much 2 for 2, right? We're getting textbook setups right off the bat, and it's still only 9:15 in the morning, right? We got another 6 hours of trading to go. Now, of course, this one gets stopped out, right? Because you can see here we get a couple of ticks in our favor immediately, and it comes right back and stops us out. And that's okay, guys and gals. Getting stopped out is part of the game. You have to be prepared to take the small loss so that you don't take the big loss. You understand? And almost immediately after we get stopped out, the volume indicator turns green. What does that tell you? Tells you that the buyers are now in control. We want to see a little bit of upward momentum, and then we want to see a nice pullback. We want to see the market come back to us and we want to wait for one of these, right? This is a textbook, another perfect retracement. At this point, we're 3 for 3, right? We look to go long on the open of the next bar. Our stop loss gets placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex, okay, underneath the signal bar. And you guys and gals know what happened today, right? Holy moly, this market surged for 1,000 ticks. All right, guys and gals, can you understand now the power of a trend trading system? Not a scalping system, not a top calling and bottom calling system, but a trend-based system where we do our level best to try to squeeze and milk every single tick out of a massive trend. And listen, you never know when a trend is going to start, right? All you can do is be diligent and be laser focused every day on trying to look for high probability and low risk setups, right? I mean, you can see here, this stop loss line here never got touched. This thing just soared all day, never came back and touched our stop, right? So yeah, guys, there's 2 takeaways I want you to glean from watching this video. Takeaway number 1, you simply have to have the same routine every morning when you start your trading, right? And you have to start your day in a neutral mood. You can't be too happy, you can't be too upset, you just have to be neutral, right? Be mechanical and be emotionless on every single setup that you see. And takeaway number 2, guys and gals, this is probably the most important. Let those winners run, right? You never know when you're going to catch a move like this. So let the market do the dirty work for you. Let the market do the heavy lifting for you. And above all else, don't be that dummy who tried to short the market here, and he tried to short the market here, and he tried to short them. These people who tried to short the market today got their faces chopped off as the market went parabolic today. I mean, if you were a short seller today, you got smoked. All right, so don't be a dummy. Don't counter trend trade, and always stick with the trend. The trend is your friend. That'll do it for this video, guys and gals. Congrats to everybody who crushed it today. I know every single one of you guys and gals had a fantastic day today, and I can't wait to see if we're going to get this same setup again tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.